Well, good morning from New York. This is Dr. K, and today we're cooking the most incredible space transformation for a dental office. We had received all of the ingredients we need straight from the manufacturer. They're all fresh and ready to go, as you see here. But more importantly, more important than the ingredients, is the chef who's gonna cook the recipe for us today. Chef Erica is here today. I feel so grateful, and today we're gonna really make the most incredible recipe.
So welcome, I'm excited to be in New York City. Chef St. Pierre here from Design Ergonomics and Ergonomic Products. Our passion, and my passion in particular, is making dentistry easy for doctors, team members, and ultimately overall patients. It is not often that we actually get to come in before any dentistry is being done, and I'm excited to see what the future holds in store for Dr. K and for the practice and the community here in New York City.
Wonderful. We're gonna get you through step by step for our journey today, and I hope you'll like it. You'll like the recipe, and we're gonna have a 5-star treatment today.
Nice.
The need that I have to really reach out to a company and to people like Erica to help me with this process is because I have seen how much inefficiency there is in other offices where I worked in getting the most accessibility to supplies to be the most efficient possible. And I have decided for myself that the only way I could have an efficient office is by hiring the best people in the industry. And so I reached out to Erica St. Pierre, and she has been incredibly instrumental at doing the initial assessment. She really dove absolutely inside my mind, and she read exactly what my function is and what kind of procedures I do. And she looked into this space, 1 inch square by inch square. She tried to identify how we could possibly implement the right processes and protocols, as well as the right access to these supplies as we move through. And that's how our collaboration started. It started from a lot of talk and a lot of conversation and brainstorming. And here we are today. So this today is a little bit of the cherry on the cake that we have been baking for quite some time. So today is only really the icing. And the best thing about this platter resistance is the fact that this unit is so incredibly life-saving and an incredible investment to have, because it makes any equipment that you don't want to buy multiples of, makes it into just one consolidated rapid cart. Well, I call it smart cart because it's extremely smart. It's incredibly mobile, and it helps you. For example, in my case, I'm going to be having an implant motor right on the cart, and that allows me to just have that implant motor move between operatories in a very kind of swift and efficient manner versus having to invest into implant motors in every operatory. So one of the most incredible things about this smart cart, again, it's rapid cart, but I call it smart because it's extremely smart. It has all of what you need for you to have the most slick, the most clean layout. So this smart cart is going to actually hold the unit that I'm going to be using the most, which is the implant motor. And as you see here, it has these holes that you will put the wiring inside. As you see here, you just put it inside, and I'm gonna just move it through, and we're gonna pull it towards the back, and it's gonna offer the most sleek, clean look, and frankly quite hygienic, especially now post-COVID. We want all surfaces to be cleansable, and we don't want to have any unnecessary kind of items that you would want to hide if you can. So what we're going to do is push the cord towards the outside. Yeah, and I'm going to show you here if you come close, and I'm going to move here. Look at how many outlets there are. In other words, if you need a piezo surgery, such as for myself, I need a piezo machine and I need an implant machine. Every one of them has its own plug, and it's so neatly put in here, as you see. And all of it connects to one plug only that goes into the wall. And this is, as you see there, It has a handle of its own, so it's very easily movable from one operatory to the other. This is an incredible masterpiece, I must say.